Okay, here's a tutorial using Windows 10 on how to add down here the language bar to the clock. Okay, to add the language bar, let's go to the start menu and click on settings. Okay, and up here in the upper right corner, type in lang from language, and go here to add a language to this device. Click on that one. Okay, here we have add a language, and now look for the language that you want to add. Here's one, Hungarian. I just clicked on it. Okay, so now we have two languages. Now let's click on add a language once again, and I want to search for another one. I want Romanian. Here it is. Click on that one. This one has two options. I will add the lower one. Okay, so now we have three languages, and this one has to make I have to make a modification here. So click on that one, go to options. Okay, and here we have Q, W, E, R, T, and Z. And on the keyboard, after T we have Y. So Y and Z is inverted, so we don't need that one, but another one. So add a keyboard. Okay, and here 101 key, and this one after T has a Y, so I need that one. Okay, the other one can be removed. Just click on it and click on remove and go back. Okay, and now we have these three languages. Okay, and you can switch between them by pressing the Windows key and spacebar. Windows and spacebar. You have to hold down the Windows key and then just tap on the spacebar. Okay, and you can switch between these languages using the Alt and Shift button. Now it's a Hungarian. Alt Shift again. Now it's a Romanian. Let's see the right Alt and Shift. That is not working, so you have to use the left one. Left Alt and left Shift. Okay, and of course you can click on it and you can set it to a different language. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.